The ACLU is joining a lawsuit involving a fourth grader and the Jefferson Parish School Board. WDSU Investigates broke the story about Kamari Harrison last September. The boy was recommended for expulsion for moving a BB gun in his bedroom during an online class. A weapons violation remains on the 9-year-old's permanent school record. The family wants a judge to wipe Kamari's record completely clean.
Kamari's case is extraordinarily important, and it is heartening that we have seen so many people rally around this young boy. And his case matters for him, but it matters for everybody who's part of this silent majority of kids that are being taken out of school too soon.
The ACLU is joining the Louisiana Attorney General, Jeff Landry, both signing on to the lawsuit. The ACLU argues the school system's actions are rooted in racism. According to court records, the ACLU found Jefferson Parish suspended or expelled more students than any other school system in this state, with black students making up the majority of those suspensions. The Jefferson Parish School Board calls the ACLU's brief irrelevant, and they say it's partisan and inflammatory. To read their full statement, go right now to WDSU.com.